Hey, how's it going, video watchers? Wanted to do something in my car. Want to see if you guys thought it was a good idea or a bad idea. So I redid some Photoshop images of it with some tint on the lenses where the white is, right? So the blinker and the backup. And then I also Photoshopped my new plate that's coming. It's not in yet, but when it's in, it'll look like, what I Photoshopped. So here's what my car pretty much looks like now. And then after, it will look like with the tinted backup lights and blinkers, and then it'll have my new plate on there as well. So before, after. So I think it kind of darkens it up just enough to kind of, I don't want to tint my actual brake lights and stuff. So, and I don't want to go and start blacking out all my chrome and everything. I don't want to, replace my grill and stuff. So, but the taillight section of the car was just sticking out. Just, I don't know. It's the one thing on the car that just kind of eats my goat. So, I think that looks a lot better. So I plan on my plate's coming in a couple weeks. Should be here in another week or so, and I'll probably go down and try and get my lenses tinted as well. Oh, and back out a little bit from my computer screen here. You can see the before picture, and then that's actually in front of my garage there, right? So what I did is I did some Photoshop stuff and distressed everything and did some replacements and made it look kind of weird. So anyway, but that's it. Before, after. Here you are. Yeah, I think it's a lot better, man. White and obnoxious. Subdued. Cool. Let me know. Bye.